This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo, power steering, air conditioning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.